hi everybody. Say hi everybody.
Hi everybody.
So tonight we are going to celebrate Ryder because Ryder was student of the month, or the Gator of the month, right?
Yeah, it's Gator of the month.
Gator of the month at his school last month, and he got this certificate, this achievement award from Flanigan's. So he gets a free meal. So we are going to head over to Flanigan's to celebrate Ryder being Gator of the month because we're very proud of him. You know, we're very proud of you. Are you proud of yourself?
Yeah.
Good. And here we are, Flanigan's. We're at the Flanigan's in Weston. So we just got seated and we're outside, which is nice. It's almost, it is 7:50, so it's gonna get dark soon. It's nice. You like it, Ryder? So this is Ryder's Achievement Award, and it says he was Gator of the Month in February 2022 at his school, and there we go. So it's a pretty brilliant marketing move on Flanigan's part to get families to Flanigan's for a free $7 meal. So we're here, and I don't think I've been to Flanigan's in a very long time. Ryder's drawing. Hi, how are you? Ryder's doing, that was really good, really good. He's doing the puzzle that came in the little kids menu. You're doing a good job.
Yeah.
Wow, you did it. Yeah, you did the whole thing.
No,
Look at
drop
that.
it. Don't put it down.
You did a great job, Ryder. Let me see. Let me see.
But like carefully put
Ray got some dolphin fingers. Unfortunately, they no longer grill them. And the fish stem. So here's my full rack of ribs. And Ryder got a cheeseburger with special and yeah, I think I anticipated how hungry I was.
How you like the rib?
How do you like the ribs, Ryder? How do you like the ribs? Yeah, I definitely overestimated myself. I didn't even get through half of them. But it's only $5 more for like a full rack than a half rack, so I can't.
So you got another meal for later.
Yes, I'll have a meal, and Ray is eating the rest of Ryder's fries. Ryder, look at that, huh? Can we share?
You only get one spoon.
Ryder said he was done with his ice cream because he just wanted to dance. He's an 80s kid. He's just an 80s kid.
Just dance. Just dance. Just dance. Just dance.
Not bad. It was $68 before tips. Nice night out with the fam. Celebrating Ryder. So Ryder, did you like your dinner at Flanigan's?
Yes.
Are you proud of yourself?
Yeah, because I'm the student of the month.
Yes, that's right. You are the Gator of the month. So dinner was nice. It was a nice little, my husband's driving. It was a nice little night out. We always, last time we went to Disney on Ice, we did Outback. So this was fun, and again, I have lunch for tomorrow because I have pretty much a half rack of ribs for lunch tomorrow, and that was it. So it was a nice little, very smart marketing of Flanigan's, like very smart. So with that, if you like this video, click like, click, and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Bye everyone. Ryder, say goodbye.